Hi everyone, Winnie here. I'm honestly tired of the floppy, non-adjustable kickstand case that comes with the EcoFlow 220-watt bifacial solar panel. It is awkward to set up and you can't really angle it towards the sun. Plus, relying on that fabric case as a kickstand just won't last long in the rough, off-grid camping locations I go to. I've been testing several DIY versions on my recent trips because I want something easy to set up, rigid and as light as possible. Today I'm sharing my latest and best version. It is made entirely of scrap wood, so it costs me almost nothing to build, and it folds up flat so it doesn't take up space in my camper. If you have tried building something similar for your panels, let me know in the comments how you did yours. But without further ado, let's get right into the build. The EcoFlow bifacial panels, just like many other portable panels, have these grommets around the top and bottom edges. I'm going to use those grommets as the anchor points for the kickstand. To keep the panel stable, we are going to build two identical supports. By the way, you can use this exact kickstand design on other solar panel brands too, as long as they have similar grommet holes. You just need to change the length of the wood pieces to fit your specific panel size. First, I went to my scrap pile. I rip cut the wood into strips. You'll need a wider piece for the mainstay, about 1 inch by 3/4 inch, and a slimmer, thinner piece for the leg, about 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch. Then I cross-cut them to the length shown on the screen. Next, I drill the holes for the threaded inserts, one at each end of the mainstay. Here's a quick tip. I also drill a 5/8 countersunk hole about 1 inch above the bottom insert. This is to accommodate the knot of the paracord so that the mainstay sits flush against the back of the solar panel. If you don't do this, the knot will get in the way and the wood won't lay flat. Once the holes are ready, I drive in the threaded inserts using a 6mm hex key. Now for the legs. I pre-drill 2 holes in the leg piece, one for the pivot screw and another lower down for the paracord. I'm using a 1 1/4 inch screw with washer to secure the leg to the mainstay. You want it tight enough to hold, but loose enough that you can swing the leg out without fighting it. The final step is the adjustment mechanism. I threaded the paracord through the holes. Crucial detail here, I'm using 2 cord locks on each line. I found out the hard way that a single cord lock slips under strong wind, but 2 holds it rock solid. To attach these to the solar panel, you need 4 thumb screws. In my previous build, I used standard star knobs from Amazon. They work fine, but they are a bit bulky for packing. So for this version, I 3D printed these custom thumb screws from Maker World. They are much lower profile and honestly feel more ergonomic. Plus, printing them let me customize the screw length perfectly so they don't stick out. If you have a printer, I have linked the file in the description below. It takes about 10 minutes to make, and it saves so much frustration at the campsite. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects like this one. Thanks for watching.